Sushmita Sengupta, updated, June 18, 2018 1719 IST Veganism is a philosophy that keeps its followers away from all kinds of animal-based products, be it in their diet, clothing or cosmetics. As a practice, veganism is slowly taking the world by rage. So many celebrities both home and abroad are going the vegan way too. Bollywood megastar Aamir Khan and wife Kiran Rao were amongst the latest to join the bandwagon 2 years back. Many of us are guilty of using the word vegan and vegetarian interchangeably. Here's the essential difference between the two. Those who chose to be vegans avoid meat, poultry and seafood, just like vegetarians, but they take this a step ahead by also refraining from consuming dairy products like milk, cream and eggs or any product/byproduct derived from animal/animal skin. Naturally then, there are many nutritionists who often say that veganism is not for everyone. Bangalore-based nutritionist Drive Anjasot says, Indian population is largely non-meat based. For them, the source of protein is mainly derived out of plant origin foods like dal, rajma and the likes. If paneer, milk and curd are ruled out, then to ensure there is enough protein and calcium in their diet, proper planning must be done in consultation with an expert. In other words, if you are a vegan you may need to supplement your diet with vitamins, vitamin-fortified cereals, and fortified soy products to avoid deficiencies. And if you are a vegan who is looking to lose weight, you know your challenges too. With cutting down on meat and poultry, you already lose out on a great source of protein. Vegans have no resort in dairy too. But that does not mean it is an all grim affair for vegans looking for weight loss. Soybean is a great meat alternative for vegans. Similarly, tofu makes for an amazing alternative for paneer. Soy milk has almost the same protein content as regular milk. Also read, 7 Things You Should Know Before Switching to Veganism. Veganism is a philosophy that keeps its followers away from all kinds of animal-based products. Here are some vegan recipes that you can enjoy while you are in your weight loss trip. 1. Stir-fried tofu with rice recipe. An easy-peasy recipe that is sure to spruce up your boring routine. Made with weight loss-friendly olive oil and topped with a variety of herbs. This delicious recipe is sure to add the much-needed zest to your lunch plans without adding too much to the calorie load. An easy-peasy recipe that is sure to spruce up your boring routine. 2. Tofu with spinach and black pepper sauce recipe. Healthy, nutrient-dense and delectable. This recipe is an absolute winner. Cubes of tofu stir-fried in mild spices, served on a bed of spinach leaves drizzled with a peppery sauce. A major slurp alert. Healthy, nutrient-dense and delectable. A rich medley of veggies that would leave you filled and content. Yellow and red peppers, broccoli and spring onions topped with delicious seasoning, sprinkled with apricots. A must-try. A rich medley of veggies that would leave you filled. 4. Zucchini stuffed with soya. Ditch the fatty and oily evening snacks and make way for this light and low-calorie appetizer. Zucchini halves stuffed with a soya spice mix and baked till crisp. This healthy and hearty treat is the perfect answer to those untimely hunger pangs. Ditch the fatty and oily evening snacks and make way for this light and low-calorie appetizer. 5. Fruits with silken tofu. Papaya, pear, apples and pineapple doused in a creamy tofu sauce. This healthy blended mix topped with fresh mint and cherries is a perfect snack for those looking to shed a pound or 2. Papaya, pear, apples and pineapple doused in a creamy tofu sauce. Got more vegan recipes to share? Write to us in the comments section below.